Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. When you call the EMS, there are many different teams that could arrive depending on the situation. We asked a paramedic, who would these teams be?
When you call 999, there are a number of options available to you, and the call taker will guide you as to what's needed, and it depends on the environment where you are. They will often dispatch multiple emergency services to a scene depending on the nature of the incident. So for example, if it's near a coastal area, they may send the Coast Guard to provide assistance to manage any emergency that's on the fringe of the water. An appropriate response will be sent based on the terrain and the environment that the incident has occurred in. And people know those locations, that geography that are taking the call, so they will make sure that the right teams come to the scene. We very commonly work with other agencies, other emergency services. So for example, for road traffic collisions, you will often have police, fire and the ambulance service all working together. And then often an air ambulance might come to the scene, or the hazardous area response team, part of the ambulance service, might come to provide additional skills. Along the coast, you've got the RNLI and the Coast Guard, and then you have search and rescue, mountain rescue, all different teams, and provided a blended approach to make sure that the patient is safe and the rescue is done in a seamless fashion.